Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup, and as you can see we will be immediately transferred to this Google One section. So let's tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just the information that you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, I will store it securely, of course, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here we've got the backup section. So basically you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage there, so you can remove some unnecessary files, for example. Here we've got the details, so what has been already backed up. Advanced settings also, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, because thanks to this your device will only use the Wi-Fi to back up the data, so you will not be charged for reaching the limit, and etc. So in order to finish the whole operation, just tap on backup now, and right now you have to wait because your device is backing up the data. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.